Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the MAXDONE Wildlife Camera with motion sensor and night vision. 28 megapixel 1520p hunting camera with 0.2 second of trigger time. We have here a high resolution photos and videos. Because this wildlife camera uses the improved resolution of the 48 megapixel photos and 4K videos, delivering vivid images and videos with lifelike colors and rich details. The 2.0 range LCD color display is ideal for checking the camera angle and previewing the impressive images. Photos and videos cannot be transferred directly to the mobile phone because no Wi-Fi function is required, and a 0.2 second of trigger speed. Because this wildlife camera with advanced sensor will capture every vivid and amazing motion exposed to the field of wildlife camera. The shutter release distance of 65 feet and the 90 degrees wide detection range makes it images taken in any weather and in any place look professional enough. We have waterproof and durable. That means the IP66 waterproof design combined with a rugged housing and allows this hunting camera to withstand harsh environments, such as desert and tropical rainforest. Ensuring it works, and it is safe outdoor to observe the spectacular nature, from dancing leaves on the windy days to the cleaning birds in a drizzle. This wildlife camera with motion sensor and night vision comes to us with 850 nm low glow night infrared LED ensures that the motion activated camera can take a quick picture and videos at night. This allows us to see the wild animals and understand how they enter our lawn, for example. Even the most easily frightened creatures like deers and fox will not in panic if we shoot them by using the camera. Make a shot, take a photo or a video, of course. You do not have to kill them, of course, yes, because this is only a camera, not a gun. And it's user-friendly, and it's compatible with up to 512 GB of SD card, micro SD card. 32 GB micro SD card is included. The night vision, the camera, surely meets the storage requirements. A wall mounted is included so that the camera can be securely attached to any location for indoor and outdoor surveillance. This is ideal for garden. This is ideal for everywhere you like to make a good, clear video and photo shooting for security. The MAXDONE is a customer-oriented brand that strives to provide high-quality products. For any here, it comes to us with a good staff in camera thing because it's not so expensive camera and it brings the basic stuff what we need. 2.inch LCD color screen, 26 piece of 850 nm IR LEDs, waterproof standard IP66, 0.2 seconds trigger speed, and the detection range and angle is 65 feet and 90 degrees. It supports a maximum storage of 512 GB. And it is included in SD card. The camera comes with a 32 GB micro SD card, which can use immediately after receiving the package. The SD card can also be used through a large capacity card to store all the spectacular nature we deserve to see. And with a lightning fast release speed of 0.2 seconds, thanks to the advanced sensor technology, any vivid moment that falls on the field of this hunting camera cannot be missed, of course. And it's waterproof, baby. Designed for robust housing and waterproof ability. This dry camera is either to be used in various environments, no matter. That means you can use it in a desert or a tropical rainforest. So they're really nice for hunting, really nice for the violence of your property. It's a multi-tool. And super clear night vision comes to you at night. 850 non-luminous IR LEDs ensure that the motion-activated camera takes clear pictures and videos even at the night without disturbing the animals or attracting their attention. So we can watch the animals in the wild and find out how they will get to our lawn, for example. This brings us this clear image and videos. With a high resolution of 28 megapixel photos and 2.7K videos, this wildlife camera delivers the vivid images and videos with the lifelike colors and rich details. And the 2.0-inch LCD color display makes a better control of the shooting angle and easy setup. They have equipped the trail cam with a 2-inch LCD color display, so we can also benefit from previous great images and videos too. We have a large detection angle of 90 degrees. That means the range is enough. Combined with a trigger distance of 65 feet, this makes the hunting camera capable for capture more than the most others on the market. So image takes in any weather and anywhere looks professional enough for us. In this price range, of course. This is a nice wildlife camera. This makes a good job for a basic setup, of course. We have here the PH820 trail camera, and it comes to you from MAXDONE. That's cool, that's easy to operate because we does not need any smartphone, any app, any Wi-Fi or something else. It's a standalone device which we can assemble or attach in the forest, for example, to make a nice surveillance there for animals and so on. That's the MAXDONE Wildlife Camera with motion sensor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.